Island Geopark, home to magnificent geological formations, the world's smallest primates, pristine white sand beaches, and century-old churches. And here's the view. Park, treasure, La Manok Isle, Mantad Falls, Hills, ito may cave, more resources. Japan rice terraces, Candy Hives, nice. Maribohok Uplifting Maritimes, contact. Bohol Island Geopark welcome collaborations and partnership with local communities, organizations, schools, and businesses to help preserve, promote the rich biological heritage. Like here, it's my favorite one. The Hagdanan Cave. I've never been there yet. This one too.